Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Unplug Charger Immediately problem on any Samsung phone. Now, if your phone is plugged into the charger, just take the charger off your smartphone, then power off your smartphone. To do that, just open the control center and tap on the power icon. Now just select power off. After that, just check if there is any moisture in the charging port of your smartphone. And also check if there is any moisture on your charging cable. Now after that, just dry the charging port and the charging cable of your smartphone using a dry and soft cloth. Then leave your smartphone to dry. Now if this did not fix your issue, first of all just power on your smartphone. Now as you can see, our smartphone is powered on. Then go to settings. From here, just tap on apps and tap on the three lines over here and enable show system apps. Now in the search bar, just search USB settings. Go to storage and tap on clear cache. Now just check if this problem is solved on your smartphone. After that, just try to charge your smartphone. And if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix Unplug Charger Immediately problem on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.